Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to achieve the retro crimped waist using the 24-inch seamless and 200 grams. So I'm clipping the 1 4 clip and the 2 3 clips at the back. So for the front sections, I'll be using the 1 2 clip and the 1 1 clip on both the sides. To achieve this look, you will need a 3-in-1 deep waver, a heat protectant and a styling cream. It's important that your hair is well hydrated throughout. You can use any hydrating cream which will prevent your hair from frizzing out. I'm now going to brush through my hair and divide them into 4 equal sections. Now I'm going to use the deep waver and go through the front sections. Make sure to bring the waver all to the end. And now you're going to repeat the same thing throughout your hair. I want my front sections to have a softer wave, so I'll be using a straightener. I'm going to turn the straightener up and down to create that bend. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it.